We are Burket. Trade made convenient. The ongoing pandemic is having a significant impact on how businesses operate and conduct trade. From your typical moms and pops shop to your go-to supplier, distributor, even large-scale manufacturers all share the same frustration when it comes to the buying and selling of products and services. May you be an aspiring entrepreneur, a business owner, or a processor at a large-scale corporation, our transactions typically revolve and focus around these two activities: buying and selling. Let's take a closer look at the challenges from both perspectives. Customer search. Going online would be the most convenient and practical way to generate business and product awareness. However, not all have the luxury of having their own websites. Majority would rely on readily available platforms such as search engines, social media, business-to-business websites, and ads that in reality do not address the actual need of enhancing online discoverability through efficient and affordable means. Then there's supplier discovery. Given the current cluttered online landscape, supplier and product sourcing can be quite challenging, most specifically if you're after verified and trustworthy ones. Lastly, there's the process of doing the actual sales and procurement of products. Majority of businesses do these manually, physical routing of documents for review and approval, payments, and so on, which takes a lot of time and effort, and current standalone solutions are too expensive. Introducing Burket, a revolutionary platform that simplifies and facilitates business-to-business transactions by digitizing the entire sales and procurement processes. Burket significantly improves a business potential to become more discoverable, save money, and increase sales. Burket provides solutions that address all business segments, from micro to large enterprises. Let's take a closer look at what Burket offers from both buyer and seller standpoint. Our key players on Burket are the businesses, not individual processors. To address the need to connect with the right customers, users are automatically given search engine optimized business profiles, so not only will they be searchable on Burket, but also on search engines like Google. This gives businesses more opportunities to generate product awareness and visibility. Business profiles also display important information that would help convert visitors to potential customers, such as business validation badge to promote business credibility, recent activities on Burket such as deals and promotions, products and services offered, business description, contact information, and location. On top of that, Burket comes in social network interface for familiarization and enhanced networking capabilities. In the Philippines alone, more than 70% of the population are social network users, covering all age brackets from young adults to seniorities. This would efficiently allow our users to spend less time familiarizing themselves with the platform and get more in touch with their customers right away. One important feature in Burket is the opportunities or request for quotes section that is integrated in the user's timeline. This displays the recent buying need of all active buyers in the market. Through this feature, sellers can view the specifications and send their offers should the buying need match their current product or service offering. For lead generation, Burket comes with company suggestions. Users can view information on thousands of businesses in our Active Directory and directly send messages to their business of interest. Burket also has business starter kits specifically designed to display all relevant products and services for a particular business. Let's say you just opened a milk tea shop. You have the menu staples, a few unique offerings, and the requisite witty business name to boot. The next step is to find a supplier for plastic cups. Then, perhaps a supplier for straws. Eventually, you'll need a wholesale supplier for milk powder. And, of course, you'll need a supplier for the food-grade plastic seals that cap your drinks. Our starter kits are designed to consolidate all products for easy buyer access. All activities made in the platform are displayed in the seller dashboard, so no important sales activity is missed. We understand that improving online discoverability and boosting networking capabilities are not enough to enhance an organization's sales transactions. There still is the manual process of delivering the order and receiving payments. We also understand that not all businesses follow the typical process when it comes to business transactions or have the capacity and resources to make deliveries and take payments for bulk orders. Manually doing these transactions can be a frustrating process. That said, we have partnered with various private companies to ensure that our users, regardless of resources, are able to conveniently and economically fulfill orders and receive payments on the dot. Our partnership with BioHeroes and QuadX will enable our users to conduct nationwide deliveries and cash-on-delivery options for bulk selling transactions. Warehousing options for products situated in rural areas and imports are also made available so orders are fulfilled faster than usual. With Proxtra, cross-border product discovery and trade has been made possible. With API capabilities, these solutions have been integrated in Burket to provide seamless selling transaction to our users. In essence, conveniently completing and improving the selling process at a fraction of the cost and effort, gradually empowering micro to small enterprises. Now let's take a closer look at it from a buyer's perspective. This is the typical procurement process of mid to large-scale businesses. It's tedious, complicated, and time-consuming. Businesses spend on average 3 to 4 weeks to complete a buying process. 63% do not use technology to monitor supply chain performance, and business-to-business trade accounts for 83% of online sales. There's definitely a gap that needs to be addressed. So what can the buyers do on Burket? Let's take a look at our supplier discovery features. Request for quotation. This allows buyers to post and share a particular buying need. The information is directly displayed in the timeline and is directed towards relevant suppliers. The idea is for the supplier to send the offer based on actual specifications needed and the buyer to make a selection based on the selection criteria, making the sourcing as convenient and efficient as possible. Manual search options enables buyers to search from a wide selection of products listed in both Burket and Proxtra network. All relevant businesses that supplies the product or service sought after will also be displayed. Burket also has a database of over 400,000 local registered businesses listings, with over 80,000 product and services cataloged. Once a selection has been made, our Burket verified badge guarantees legitimacy with the businesses that the buyers transact with, providing additional sense of business credibility. Our starter kits are specially designed to package all relevant products and services pertaining to a particular business, completing the sourcing transaction in one convenient sitting. With our vendor management system, a work in progress is being funded by the Department of Science and Technology. Users are able to digitize and streamline procurement processes from product sourcing to order fulfillment, cutting the effort and cost in half so businesses could allocate resources to more valuable operational activities. Our goal is to simplify the whole procurement process, integrating features that allow our users to conduct these transactions in a fraction of the time, effort, and cost involved. The VMS comes with a dashboard that displays overall procurement overview, activities, and ongoing tasks. Vendor onboarding feature to ensure that the suppliers meet the right evaluation criteria. Digitized purchase request and purchase order processing, which limits paper approval and routing. Contract management, payment, and order monitoring. All these features are carefully integrated to provide systematic and structured transaction between the buyer and seller. Our VMS will come with an ERP system integration capability and customization options for clients with existing standalone solutions. Our business-to-business marketplace now has more than 100K monthly page views per month, 400K registered business listings, and 80K products cataloged and growing. Our goal in Burket is to empower domestic businesses compete in their local markets by providing accessible and affordable tools to simply how they conduct trade. We're looking for partners specializing in logistics and payments. We're also looking for suppliers and distributors engaged in fast-moving consumer goods. Talk to us. You may reach us at www.burket.ph or on Calendly Burket/schedule. You may also reach us on Facebook and LinkedIn. Once again, we are Burket, join us. Markets made simple.